Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by fixing stance and approach so your ball tracks to the pocket. Plant feet shoulder width and align your eyes to a target arrow, not the pins. Once set, take a controlled 4 or 5-step approach and keep your arm swing smooth and pendulum-like. Make sure your grip is relaxed. Remove tension in fingers and thumb to allow a clean release. Practice the same starting mark until muscle memory locks the path. This prevents last-second corrections that cause checking. Once your approach is consistent, focus on timing and a repeatable release so you don't check the ball. You must match the foot slide with the arm swing. Move forward, do not break at the foul line. Release at the bottom of your swing to produce a smooth roll instead of lofting, and control axis tilt by where fingertips lead. That changes entry angle. Make subtle rev rate adjustments with fingertip pressure. Small changes prevent overcorrections and keep your ball on line. You complete the shot with a strong follow-through so checking doesn't creep back in. Hold your hand high toward the target and keep your eyes on the arrow until the ball passes. This enforces commitment through the motion. If the ball hooks too early, make 2 fixes. Reduce revs or move your target 1 arrow inside. If the ball goes dead, add fingertip engagement or slightly increase rev rate. Use these troubleshooting tweaks and repeat controlled reps to lock in a check-free game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.